Tired of your iPhone suddenly switching calls to the speaker? I'll show you how to stop that in under a minute. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app from the home screen. Scroll down and tap Accessibility. It's where iOS keeps advanced call options. In Accessibility, tap Touch to view touch and call settings. Now tap Call Audio Routing to control where your call audio goes. You'll see three choices: Automatic, Bluetooth headset, and Speaker. Automatic may route calls to the speaker. To prevent unexpected speaker use, select Bluetooth headset so calls prefer a headset instead of the speaker. Tap Bluetooth headset to set it. The change saves immediately. Press back once and close settings. There's no extra confirmation needed. Place a quick test call or accept an incoming one to confirm audio stays off the speaker. If you want speaker again later, return and set call audio routing to speaker or automatic. That's it, no more surprise speaker calls. Follow for more fast iPhone tips.